Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a easy paper craft for detective game. So you might see that this is simple and you can't see anything here. But the real craft is that it's a really cool detective game craft. So if you're playing at school or you're going to be playing this game with your friends, you might want to share some secret notes or something with them. But many of your friends or classmates will be in your class. So if you want to share something important, you could just try this craft and you could give it to them and it will be a really secret note. So the main point of this is that you can't see anything over here, but I'm just going to be taking my phone and I'm going to be just putting the torch light and I'm going to be keeping it over here. And if you put it over here, you can see the secret image written on this paper. So if you just take the torchlight out, you can't see anything. But if you put the torchlight back on, you could see a secret house over here. And I also wrote like a code on top. It said 617324. So this is a really cool craft as well. And you could share secret messages. So now let's start by seeing how to make this really cute craft and how to make the secret detective game craft as well. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So to get started, we're only going to be needing few simple materials, which are a small rectangular piece of paper. Then we'll be needing a glue bottle. Next we'll also be needing a scissor. Then we'll be needing a pencil. And at last we'll be needing a few markers. So if you want to write a secret message, take the colors you want to use. For example, red, yellow, green, black, blue, purple, etc. So first we can write the secret message. First step is that I'm just going to be folding this piece of paper in half like this. So now I'm just going to be opening this piece of paper. So whatever you're writing should not exceed this line over here. If it does exceed, it won't be nice. And also please make sure that it does not touch any of the boundaries. Just make it in the middle over here. So for this message, I'm just going to be drawing an apple and I'm going to be writing a secret code. So first I'm just going to be drawing a circle like this. Then I'm going to be drawing a small line coming from the circle and I'm going to be drawing a leaf. So that's it. So you guys can draw it. You can do anything you like. So for example, if you want to tell your friend to come over for sleepover, you can just write that. Or if you're going to be playing it in your house, you can just write some secret codes, numbers, etc. digits. So after you complete this, I'm just going to be coloring in this apple over here. So this doesn't mean that you just have to use it for detective games. You can even just use it for a cool craft. So you can just write a quote on it or a secret quote or anything. So if you want to send some secret messages or store them, you can even use this. So the next step is that I'm just going to be taking the green marker and I'm going to be coloring it in. So you guys can do anything you like. So you can just complete the drawing you have done and you could color it in. So coloring is a very important part, and please make sure that you use really dark colors. And if they're not dark, you can give 2 to 3 outlines for them, because if you put a torchlight on and if it's not a dark color, it won't be really possible and it won't be seen clearly. So now I've done drawing an apple. So next I'm just going to be taking a blue marker and I'm just going to be giving a small outline for the apple. So it's not realistic, you can draw anything. So I'm just going to be making it look really cute and attractive. So that's why I'm drawing an outline. But after this, I'm not going to be drawing anything because it's near the boundary. So it will be nice if it nears the boundary. So now you can write any secret message you like. So for example, I'm going to be taking the purple marker and I'm going to write in any number. So for example, 7, 3, 1, 2, 6, 4, like this. So you can write any number you like. So after we complete this, we're going to the next step, which is folding. So I'm just going to take this top part and I'm going to be folding it to the line that we made in the middle. So as you see this line, the piece we made. Now I'm going to take this part and I'm going to be folding it in half one more time. So next step is that I'm just going to be folding this in half over here. And I'm going to be opening this and I'm going to be folding this part over here and I'm opening it. So this is for the creases, so it will look like a damaged paper after you fold it. Then we'll have a secret message inside. So if it's like a clear paper, then some people might even find the secret message. So if we just crumple it, we can't see the inner message over here and it won't be visible properly. Because if it's straight, then it will be clumped to each other and be stuck together. Then you can easily see the apple inside. So after we complete this, I'm just going to do one more step. That is, I'm just going to be taking this one and I'm going to folding it to this side and I'm going to folding it to the half of the paper. And now I'm going to taking this side and I'm going to folding it to this part and I'm going to folding it to the half of the paper like this. So the next step is that I'm just going to taking this bottom part and I'm going to folding it to the top again and making this crease nicely visible. So after we complete this, I'm going to be taking a glue bottle and I'm going to be applying some glue at this edge of the paper over here. Now I'm going to be applying some glue gently in this edge of the paper as well, and one at the bottom. That's why I said that you should not like make it come into the boundaries, because if you glue it won't be proper. So now I'm just going to be taking this paper and I'm going to gently pressing it to the bottom over here. So now I'm just going to be pressing it gently over here, and I'm going to be coloring it in at the bottom. I'm sticking it over here as well, and I'm going to sticking it on this side of the paper as well. So after we complete this, it will look like a crumbled paper. So now we're just going to be giving it like a small outline or like an envelope like structure. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a black marker and I'm going to be coloring it in the corners. So I'm just going to be putting a small black outline over here on the side, and I'm taking another black outline at the bottom, one more on this side and one more on the top as well. So I'm just going to be giving this outline slowly like this. So if you like see it from a distance, you can probably see the apple a little bit, but if you just crumble this paper, like as you see, I just folded it like this and give it a few foldings. If you do that, you won't see the secret message over here. Now I'm just going to be taking this purple marker and I'm going to be putting a small circle top part like this, and I'm putting a small dot over here. So I did the same in this one as well, if you see. So it look like secret messages, so you just view it in a torchlight and you can see the secret message in here. So next we'll be starting off by doing another thing, which is I'm just going to be taking a yellow marker and I'm just going to be giving it like a short coloring at the bottom part like this. So if you like do it nicely and darkly, when you put it in torchlight, like this bottom part, it will be like it's inside the apple. So like it'll be really realistic and really nice. So I'm just going to be giving this outline over here as well. So now I'm just going to be giving it a little bit outline at the top as well over here, and one more on the side as well. So that's why I said you should not put it in the corner, because if you do so, it won't look nice. So next I'm just going to be giving some more food decorations. So I'm just going to be taking a red marker and I'm going to be putting small dots over here on the side and on the side of the paper as well. So I'm also going to be giving colorings over here and on the side of the paper too. So after we complete this, our paper detective game secret message is ready. So if you want to see the torchlight, you can go and reload the video at the beginning and you can see it. So this is really easy craft. You can do it in anywhere you like. So if you're in a classroom, as I said, if you're in a classroom, if you want to tell a secret message, you can just color it, and some schools might allow cell phones there. So if your friend can even see the message inside, and you can use it while playing at your home. So for example, if you want to be playing with your siblings, like your sibling is a detective and you're going to be like another detective, you can just share notes without the criminal knowing. And it's also really cool craft. So it's like if you turn to the back of the paper, you might see the note over here, because we used marker. So in this one it's not visible, but here the marker is too dark. So but please make sure that the marker is too not dark, because if it's too dark, then the message might be seen in the back part. But it's good that the number is not seen over here, because the marker wasn't that dark, the blue marker that I used for the number. So after we complete this, our paper detective game craft is ready. So this is a very easy way of making paper detective game craft, and it's useful too. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Also don't forget to share this video with all your friends and family members, so that they can know this really easy craft trick, and they can even try it with their friends and family members and siblings as well. So for more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any ideas about what I should post in my channel, please comment in the comment box below, and I'll see to your comments and I'll try to make that craft and post a video as soon as I'm good at making it. So if you want more digital game ideas like this, or any code ideas for digital game playing, you can comment that as well, and I'll try making it and more crafts like this. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.